Hello and welcome to a new video. So today we're gonna go over my trades I took while backtesting, my strategy, and we'll hop over the first week, so January 1st to January 5th. So we had a lot of news. On Monday we had bank holiday. I don't trade on bank holiday. Then on Tuesday I could trade, but on Wednesday we had FOMC. Then on Thursday we had NFE, and then on Friday we had again NFE. So the only day I traded this week was Tuesday, because I don't trade on CPI news, on FOMC news, or NFP or NFE news, or bank holiday. CPI, FOMC, and NFP are just really volatile, and it's harder to predict where the market wants to go. And bank holiday just has no volatility to it, so that's why I don't trade it. So then let's hop right into the trade I took. And before we go into the trade, I gotta say it was my first time trading this new concept or this new way of trading, so the first trade was kind of a gamble, and it worked out, fortunately. And yeah, let's hop over it. So again, Tuesday, news events, we had none. And yeah, so the daily looked like this. So we had a big CME gap below us, and I also marked out a daily fair value gap, as you can see. And I didn't mark it out, but here I can see a bullish fair value gap getting invalidated on the daily. So that kind of confirms my bearish bias. And I would have marked out here my external buy side liquidity. So that would be my draw of the day. And I probably marked it out. Yeah, I marked it out on the 4 hour. So on the 4 hour. So on the 4 hour, I marked out this external buy side liquidity. That's the liquidity that's resting below us and that acts as a buy opportunity. And I marked it out on both charts. External sell side liquidity was just the all-time high. And as you can see on ES, we respected a 4 hour fair value gap, and that confirmed my bearish bias. And on Nasdaq we didn't, but we still moved down. So from this picture I can see nothing for now. Okay, then I didn't look at the 1 hour, but my bias was bearish. Let's correct this. Okay, and then after this I looked at the 30 minute. So sorry for yawning. So on the 30 minute, this was already session open, and we can see that we took out external buy side liquidity. So this is now, so my bias instantly turned because we took out those lows. And so what I was looking for now is longs, and let's see if we took them. Okay, so this is now on the 1 minute, I believe. Yeah. So this is the same price action. It's a little unclear, but it's here. It's better. Here's the 5 minute. Here's the 1 minute from ES and NQ. So we took out external buy side liquidity, and then we moved down and got manipulation within the market. So we got a low within the low. So we fake up, we go down, take the initial low, then move up again. And we did that on both indices. So we did it on Nasdaq and on ES. And yeah, I waited for some confirmation. I waited for these down candles to be closed below. And we also got a 5 minute break of structure. So I just entered on one. And as you guys can see, this was this entry right here. we entered and we took partials here, and then I entered a short on top of here because we took out external sell side liquidity on ES. Yeah, like I told you, it's a little gamble, and I marked out so much, but it's so unnecessary. So it's really unclear what I did for me now to reflect or to review the trade. So that's something I gotta improve on. I gotta take better screenshots. And overall, just the first trade, this one isn't bad at all. But the other trades, like the short here, I mean, yeah, valid. But I didn't really know if the market wanted to do that, and I can't really now say or analyze it again because I can't see the bigger picture. So we made hella money on this day because we took the long and the shorts, and yeah, and that was week 1, because on the other days, as you guys can see, there's nothing in it because I don't look at the markets when I don't trade, because I don't want to spend unnecessary time looking at charts. I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope you learned something. If you also want to start learning how to trade, just write a comment and I'll hit you up and we'll connect. I don't sell any course, nothing. I'll just text you and see where you are and then guide you for free. Yeah, that's just something I wanted to say and share. And now, have a good night, good week, and let's go.